So it is official, I'm off to Greece. These are the essentials that I'm packing. This backpack, laptop, camera stuff, and then one carry-on. So packing pretty light, and reason for that, I do not want to get stuck with not having my luggage, having to wait for luggage, rather just be super mobile. The essentials, of course, olive oil, soap. I never ever put anything on my body that isn't completely natural. Besides my face wash, because I do break out, I like to stick with this guy, citric acid and salt. That's all it is. Then Van Man's tallow and zinc sunblock. So this is an all natural sunblock. It's literally like 5 ingredients. Mouth tape. Mouth tape is a massive one for me. I always use mouth tape at night. Read the book Breathe if you want to learn more about that. And then some toothbrushes. And it's 100% plant-based with bristles. So no BPAs in this, no plastic, nothing that's going to harm your health. Gotta bring a roll of bamboo toilet paper. And then in here, passport, wallet, blue light blockers. That's just an essential. You have to have that everywhere you go. Journal, making sure I'm documenting everything. So I'm also gonna show you some supplements that I'm taking, some stuff that I just stick by. Masszymes, this is a great product for when you're eating a high protein meal. Your body absorbs everything better, takes a lot of the nutrients. Zinc, amazing for skin, especially when you're traveling. Nice to have for, in case you're prone to getting cold, whatever it is. Magnesium, amazing for sleep. Astaxanthin, internal sunscreen. I'm gonna be in the sun a lot, gotta rehydrate. We got Shilajit, which I talked about in my last video. This is a big product in terms of boosting testosterone, skin health, hair health.
As long as I got you.
Love you, Alex. You take care, buddy.
I love you too.
Have a wonderful trip. God bless you, and behave. Be a good boy.
Oh, you know I will. You know I will.
Bye, Alex.
Bye,
love you, honey.
I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right, love you guys. Bye.
Bye. Go.
Just got to the airport. You know when you have to pee very, very bad and you're stuck in traffic? That is what's happening right now. My leg is shaking, I gotta go. We're going international. But I haven't talked about what I'm doing, so I'm gonna get into that in about, well, for you it's gonna be right now. So let's have a quick chat. Last bits of sunshine. So it is official, I'm off to Greece. This is the new location for a little bit. It was definitely a big decision because I'm going out here alone. And I mean, I've traveled alone before, but not to this extent, not outside of the country. So it's gonna be a big change for me. I'm going back to my heritage. My family's from Greece, so it's an incredible opportunity to kind of connect to my roots. And yeah, I just got a one-way ticket, so I don't know what to expect. I don't even know what I'm doing. I just bought a ticket, and I just bought my Airbnb yesterday, so I'm essentially just going. Like I said, it's a big change, but it's one that I felt like I needed. I was getting a little bit too comfortable in the routine, which led me to buy this ticket. There comes a time where you hit a barrier, you hit a little plateau, and you're like, okay, how do I go around this? Something was telling me to book this ticket. I don't know what it was. Maybe it's just social media playing a big part in it, but I think it's much deeper. I believe everything happens for a reason, and I booked this ticket for a reason. I'm not sure what that is yet. But the coolest part about these videos is I'm gonna be documenting every single day. Everything I'm going through. The emotions, the highs, the lows, the beautiful places I go to, how I'm keeping my health my top priority even while I'm traveling. Because it is tough, especially being in the airport right now. I'm like, oh my God. I feel like I'm already out of my comfort zone, but that's why we're out here. So I'm taking you guys along. It was tough leaving the Cape. I was like sad leaving the Cape. It was weird. And then when I'm leaving my family, it's like I feel that emotion of like, like we used to do family trips, and now I'm at the age where I'm like doing it alone. So let's go to Greece.
out of line, I'm out of line. It'll all be fine this time. Out of line, out of line. 'Cause you always seem so kind. Out of line.
Always take the stairs. It is 2 a.m. back home, but here in Iceland it is 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. So flight takes off in an hour, layover in Iceland, which is pretty cool. Saw some incredible stars as we were flying in, but I'm tired. I'm craving my bed, but it's cool witnessing like different languages, different cultures out here. Life is crazy when you kind of just take a leap and you just go. That's how I feel right now. I'm like alone out here, but it's a cool feeling. What am I doing? Next time. We've arrived.
Come, come.
Panos is showing me the crib.
Wait.
Here we go. Look at that.
The sky, look, the sky is very
Beautiful.
This is everything that we have done with our hands. My hands, I made everything.
You did it all?
can see Parthenon from here a little bit. Wow.
I love it, brother.
And also here, as you saw in the description, it's the Technopolis in Keramikos.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes they play music, okay? But they finish at the night.
Yeah.
I don't think you will have a problem, and it's night, especially if you chill here and you relax, you have a little bit of a music, and it's the best. Come here. Where was the mini market, Iraklis? Above the street. I tell you, here it's a mini market. Organic fruits and vegetables.
Beautiful. Fresh food. Alright, we got the fresh eggs. Couldn't read a thing in those grocery stores, so we winged it. Alright, we are back from that grocery haul. We got the eggs, bananas, all that good stuff. Not a bad spot. Got some bananas, oranges, avocado. We got carrots and green apples, and then eggs. So going to cook that up. That's kind of like the first little haul. Had to make it quick. Could not read a thing when I was there. Got a lot to learn. Alright, cooking up the eggs. We got this fresh Kalamata olive oil right from the island.
It's January. You're in Phil. The right way. It's expensive. Well, it's expensive. Locations until every house.
One thing, guys, I made sure to find a pan that is not non-stick. Always go for metal, cast iron. A big piece of me creating content while I'm traveling is showing you how I'm still staying on my routine, staying healthy. This is one of the big ways right here. We're in Greece. We're gonna eat feta tonight. Not the best feta you can get in this beautiful country, but it'll definitely do the job until we go to a real place. Oh yeah. There it is, guys. Dinner is served. And I had to bring this, of course. You can't see it, but that's the Acropolis right up there. I'm gonna eat this food with a view. It's 10:40 right now in Greece. It's been a long day. just doing some editing, things like that to wrap up the day. Tomorrow's a new one, so I'm gonna get out there, enjoy, explore, learn more about the history of this beautiful place, my homeland, my family's from. It's a beautiful feeling. I'm looking at the Acropolis, the Parthenon right now from the Airbnb. It's a pretty incredible feeling. Getting in the swing of things. I'm a little anxious. I'm a little just all over the place. But when you get to a new place, that's normal. You have to get in the swing of things. You have to kind of immerse yourself in that culture and give it time. That's the main thing that I've noticed from going to Costa Rica, Hawaii, Colombia. You just give it time. Things start to come together. So I'm gonna wrap up this one, go to bed in 10 minutes, and I'll see you in the morning.